Hi there, welcome to 1-2-Step. In today's video, I am going to show you how to sign up for Barclay Bank Account. To do that, first we need to open up any web browser. In this video, I am going to use Google. After opening Google, on the URL bar, type in Barclay Bank, and after that, click on the option Online Banking. It will take you to the official web page of Barclay. The first thing you see is the login page, and in the side there is a register button. Click on that, which will lead you to the registration page. And to register, you must live in UK and have to be 16 or older. And you must have a current or saving account with the bank card or Barclay mortgage. There are some terms and conditions of the bank, and if you scroll down, there is an option called Start. Click that. The first step would require your detail like surname, birth date, postcode, and the second step will require account detail like current account, mortgage account, merchant account, and so on. Fill the information asks above, and after doing that, you need to click continue. And the second step would be to verify whether it's you or not. They will ask your email address or your phone number to send a verification code. After getting the verification code, place the verification code. And the last step would be to create a password. And after creating a password, your account will be created. So that was the process of creating an account on Barclay. If you find this video useful, then go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscription button and ring the notification bell so that we can send you notification of our newest upload. For now, thank you for watching the video.